And in this video, I'm going to cover the dashboard, admin dashboard. So in the last video, we have covered so far this option section from settings. So in the last video, I had showed you this option where if any user clicks on this, if selects no, then only the logged in users can see the price. And in this video, I'm going to show you further from here. So this one makes login attempts. That means if any users try to log in from here with the wrong user and password, tries to log in here, so the users will be given 5 chances. If he tries more than 5 times with the wrong user and password, then his accounts will be blocked. So this is the options. So how many times the user wants to attempt with the wrong user and password. And the second one is this one, account terms. So while creating the account here, you can see here privacy policy, this one. So which one you want to display there? Privacy policy or terms and conditions. So you can select here what do you want to display to your users while creating the account. For example, now refresh it, and you can see now it's displaying terms and conditions. So it depends upon your choice what you want to display here. So either you could show terms and conditions, privacy policy, delivery information, or about us. Normally, the privacy policy or terms and conditions is displayed there. Invoice prefix. So when the invoice is sent to the customer, then INB 2019 is current year, and then maybe like order number 45, so like this. If you want to give your own format, for example, is or something else, then you can specify here. And in the invoice format, the format will be like that. Here is display way on the cart page. Here, for example, here, if I purchase something and try to add to cart, from here, go to shopping cart page. So by default, you can see it checked, it won't show. Wait, now I click on yes. Then if weight has been mentioned, then you can see it's showing here the weight as well of this product. So normally all the product doesn't have this kind of weight, so it's better to not to mention here. But as per your requirement, you can specify here whether you want to display the weight into the cart page or not. So that depends on you. So this option has been given here. And this one is guest checkout. So what is guest checkout actually? Guest checkout is normally when user don't want to be a member of the website. So the user will come and fill the form and he will purchase the items. He didn't have to be a member. So the next time when he comes, then if he tries to log in, then it won't work. Again, he has to fill the complete form. So normally people don't want to be a member of the site. So in that case, get checkout option is provided. So if you go up here, get checkout, then this kind of option will appear here. So if there is an option get checkout, then there is no need of providing password here. As you can see, there is no option to provide a password here. The user doesn't have to provide a password and doesn't have to be a member of your website. So that's the thing. So again, if you make it no, then user it will be compulsory to fill up the form. For example, in this case, there is no option of get checkout. The customer has to fill the complete form and also provide the password. Only then the user can proceed. So that's the difference between the get checkout and without get checkout. The next option is checkout terms. So again, what will display the terms and conditions or what? For example, here you can see it is displaying terms and conditions. If you want to display here something else, then you can specify here, for example, privacy policy. In that case, it will display here privacy policy. Here it will get changed. The next one is order status. So when the user places an order, when your customer places an order, then the default status will be pending. So where will it appear? If you go to sales and then orders, then here you can see the status. So here, once the customer places an order, then in that case, the status will display here as pending. So you can specify here by default what will display here. So if you mark as complete, then you can decide here and simply select complete. So as the order is placed by the customers, it will display the status complete, but by default it should be, of course, pending. And also processing order status, if you are processing, then after processing it will display complete, chargeback, cancelled, or whatever you like, you can select from here. And once the order is complete, so what it will display, complete or cancelled, reversal, whatever option you want to select, so it will display here. Fraud order status. Sometimes it happens that the fraud order is placed. So in that case, if the order is fraud, in that case it will display the cancelled also automatically. And also API user here. Suppose the API you want to provide here, so that can be used in mobile applications, in mobile apps. So here it is default API user. And then there is a stock. So it should display stock outside here. How many items are remaining? In that case, you can display stock from here also. For example, I click on this one, then it is displaying the stock here, availability, how many products are available. If you don't want to display that one, in that case, simply mark it as no. Here, so by default it's no. So out of stock warning. If you want to display here when the product is just date, all the products had been purchased by the customers. So in that case, it will display it is out of stock. If you want to display that, simply Click yes or else, leave it as it is. Start checkout. If the stock will be checked out, if the stock is remaining or not, so you can also, it has option and you can select from here. The next one is affiliates. So what is affiliate actually? So affiliate is a system where the third party, the blogger or website owners normally register, okay, and then he can be a member, and your API code he will place in their website, and in that case you will provide some type of commission. The site owner will provide the commission. So let's check. You can see all these big companies, e-commerce companies provide affiliate system where anyone can join for free and then he becomes a member. Then Amazon provides a code, and that code, if anyone places it into their website, then Amazon's product display there. And if anyone purchase the product from third-party website, if clicking on the third-party website comes back to Amazon, then Amazon provides some kind of rewards, some kinds of money. So some kinds of percentage. As you can see, it is saying that up to 12% advertising fees with a trusted cost later. So if anyone purchases this bag from clicking from other websites, in that case, 12% commission will be provided by Amazon. So same affiliate system also has OpenCart. So there are different group of affiliate. Okay? So we will actually create this affiliate and check this later, but here by default it is selected default. And also if any affiliate registers, then the approval is required by the admin. So by default there is no. So anyone if registers as an affiliate, he will be approved. But if you want the affiliates to register and then admin approves, in that case you can click here the yes option. And also here there is automatic commission. So suppose you have set 5% commission, then as soon as sales happens, then 5% commission will automatically be credited into the account of the affiliate. If you want to make it a manual, in that case you leave it as no. And here is the commission. You can see it here that how much how much percentage you want to provide. For example, if from affiliate's website a product of $100 is sold, in that case the affiliate will get $5. So affiliate's percentage you can see it from here. Affiliate's terms and conditions you can also select from here, while the registering the affiliate can see here this page. And in case of returns, suppose your customer purchased your jeans from your website, and in that case, returns terms, you can create a page here, returns policy, and then display here. So for the time being, terms and conditions you can provide here. Also, return status, awaiting products. So when the customer returns, then you can select here the return status. Now this is the capture. Okay, so I will show you later how to install capture, and then so where will this capture appear? So reviews, returns, and contact. So this section I will cover later. So in this video, that's it. This option section, and in the next video I will show you this image option. So thanks for watching, stay connected, and see you in the next video.